40. Now who send the message?
I know they used to and just listen.
Now by force you go they do this thing. I don't know.
I know they used to this thing. Una good morning.
They say, una good morning, no. Una good morning. Wait.
We say we want do sporty gangster.
Sport gangster.
But una no say me, I don't they used to my dress to do this thing, wear heel. Now I go buy canvas. You see, when no be my size. The thing now it come too small. Ogbolor now they help me listen. I no even sabi. So no verse.
All this tata shoe you go
What's
carry.
wrong with you? You see this thing? Una feel like see the soul. Shoe. You dey see the soul?
Which mumu soul?
You dey feel the soul?
Bring your leg down, Jare. Come on, carry your leg down.
The soul of this thing.
What you do? The shoe won't carry you. Waka go your destiny.
They feel attach this thing to my destiny. I dey tell you this thing.
What thing?
This shoe.
Attach to your destiny.
I go bounce it to throw out.
If not that one, you know they go your destiny again. If not that one,
no problem. I go do the show with one shoe. Not today.
Do the show with one shoe.
Leave her like that. I might even cross leg on top the matter.
See, I bet please close up on me.
Have you seen this shoe? Have you even seen it? You see the color? N6 when they do bodies. You see and say, wow, very cute.
Very cute, what it?
You see?
Shoe for 9 years old picking.
Cute, too cute.
Who too cute?
The shorts, throw out this shoe now like this.
Throughout
this show now like this.
Children from my area will come up for Valentine.
Pepper them.
Where be this?
Pepper them.
Pepper waiting.
They feel
if they're not going to wear this in a diaper now,
might even leave like this. Make sure
for this thing.
Pepper them.
Small nonsense.
Pepper them. This shoe.
If not that one, you don't go wear any shoe.
Throughout this show, now so I go there. Throughout.
For your destiny's sake, you know the waka go anywhere.
No problem. Pepper them.
Pepper them. Come.
Yes.
Hey, now welcome, Jerry. Welcome on top PADI show for today and every. Today we say make una suggest for us. That leg will pay you.
Leave her.
My wife, you drop that leg.
Throughout today, now like this I go there.
Okay. Okay.
By
afternoon, I don't go see you with clutches for express.
No problem.
Be konyarumego. Your leg will make pra. Anyway.
As you hold that shoe, see as you find. Drop the shoe now, you go on fine. I tell you this thing.
No, that's one.
No color again now for your clothing.
I don't want color. I don't be woman. Now welcome, Jerry. Hope so on night make plenty sense. So because it be like this now for us, we are not even knowing what is happening anymore. But
now we say we want to do gangster sporting mode.
We want to do sports. The sports guys still be. We can't say we want to do gangster. We can't miscue somewhere along the line. So just join the two. Say sporting gangster like you know what they do like.
You be like person won't go. But we be like those people when they dance.
Yeah, in the
when they dance hip hop. Yeah.
Hey, my yours pass it to me. Pass it on to you.
Well, this now no be the plan. Now we change this thing. It's going to work.
We are very creative. We're creative. All right, we got this break. By the time we come back, the yarn begins. You know what they do. That's what's up. All right, you know, your boy Ogbolor, and of course your girl Mayowa, still holding it down on the PADI show. You know what they do. We'll be right back, ladies and gentlemen. Peace. You know, you know, yeah, you know, baby. Yeah.
Oh shit! No!
Uno, due, tre, quattro, cinque, sei, sette, otto, nove, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20,
Oh boy, you should be ashamed of yourself. You should be ashamed of yourself, Ogbolor. Shame supposed to catch you. See as you fool. You fool for inside this cloth. See, ma show you the reshape.
Wait,
forget.
Calm down. Not the disgrace yourself like this. Now don't worry yourself.
Ogbolor, wait. Raise your hand like this.
At your age, you don't get muscle.
Ogbolor, you should be ashamed of yourself.
Oh yeah, you don't do.
See.
Wait to. See that small boy.
This guy go beat you.
Forget it. Wait till
he go wound you.
Forget it.
Ogbolor, he go kill you.
Forget it.
Do like this.
This small pikin.
Do like this.
This small pikin.
Ma show you Ogbolor.
Wait,
Ogbolor turn this thing.
Not they do anyhow.
See, make them not true. Make them not true.
See,
This thing.
if that one, I go do my own thing.
This cloth make Ogbolor fat. Ogbolor turn.
Calm down.
Make I show you. Come here.
Not they do this thing now.
Come here, raise your hand. You see Ogbolor reshape?
See, they know.
When I see the reshape,
they know say we na LinkedIn. You go fall though.
I'll go make I fall.
Mayowa.
When I see the reshape.
This girl, why did you like Wala like this?
You see the reshape?
They don't see him. Oh, yeah, they don't give you an award. Ladies and gentlemen, award presented to Mayowa for bringing out the reshape of Ogbolor.
Yes.
You don't do it now. Carry your leg up, oh. If you, that leg come down today. Oh, Mayowa. If you say something, say arthritis, hold you. All right. Any which way, that's more picking. See muscle. At your small age, don't they get muscle?
I said, no, they talk.
If Papa want to take and they make money, okay now, no checking. All our small children for us now, they can't go to try this thing now. You can't bring different children, they will get muscle. Some with tattoo, some with grease for teeth.
Very so all the girls go run from your type, they go say, oh, I like that. Oh my God,
now
he's just six
now your type,
with lots of muscles. Oh my God.
Yes, now your type now. These old women, they really like small boys. Oh yeah, mo do yandi. Oh yeah, with your leg for up. Oh yeah, what will be your first story?
Okay, so I'll go tell you this first gist now. This one happened for inside Australia. 23-year-old Australian woman, what then they call Alisa Pierce or something like that. P-E-A-R-C-E, something. Just pronounce, any way you pronounce her name. Alicia, she write angry letter, give her father and her mother because she want marriage. So she said she come out house when she be 16 years old. Listen to the reason, because she and her parents know they get along. So she come out for house at 16-year-old. She no communicates with them or get any contact with them until 7 years later, that one and now. When she won't come marry, now in the parents come write her letter, say they won't come the wedding. Now she writes a reply on inviting them for the wedding. In fact, she published the letter online. I'ma read it for you real quick. Together with our friends and families, Alex and Alicia would...
I would put soundtrack for the thing.
Together with our friends and family, Alex and Alicia, we like to invite you to suck it and bask in our happiness, your bitterness, and our mutual irritation at each other's existence. As we completely ignore yours and celebrate our marriage without you. There will be a lovely ceremony followed by cake, food, and general merriment. And you are not invited to any of it because you are not invited.
Hey! Which kind of bouncing won't be that one? For this life like this?
That's it. Wow.
Which kind of bouncing be that type? I don't understand this whole level like this now. If that leg may no, Mayowa. Put on top your leg you put on before. You want the pose that be? No, forget you go post that pose. But for this letter with this girl right for your mama, you never see anything.
I tell you, that's it.
For here, they cause you go marry. Go marry, go marry. If you say you survive that one for this country, that means now a piece to you go right now.
Oh, but you talk this kind.
You say because you don't get along with your parents 7 years ago, you behind me this letter.
No,
you never see parents
the letter
now.
Be the problem.
Wait,
you come out house at 16, then go flog you, come back house.
Blagaye.
At 16 years old.
For yeah, they stay house she's 47.
Then go flog you, come back house.
What's struck to you?
You can't write for your parents because we don't care about you.
Because
we won't invite you because our coexistence irritates each other. Your daddy. Your biological daddy.
Your real daddy.
What's wrong with you?
Wherever you are, Alice, wait.
Alice, something.
Only you are not okay.
I beg you. After all, it's Australia. Only Australia.
For this country, on your wedding day, your man going to shout for your head.
I tell you this thing.
They shout for your head. Now before they do
7 years.
Now before they cry, they follow you.
But them massive. Since the parents get her address, why they no communicate with
her? Leave the parents. We know say parents they don't mess up.
Ogbolor, forget that thing.
Okay,
if
so
your pikin do anyhow, they say you go use right hand take beat am, use left hand take drum.
Not be lie.
Ogbolor, if it's since 7 years, una know the address of the girl. Why una no communicate with her? Why be saying that when she won't marry, una won't communicate with her?
Wait first.
No matter what, even if the pikin no bet, you don't feel allow your pikin lost just like that.
Okay.
If she they do childishness, you go do the mature one. I say make I hammer on.
They don't hammer on it. But this one like this, if the girl write this letter on her wedding day, now only God know how many they say give them monthly. You know, maybe monthly she did dish out different letter.
No. She said she never communicates with them in 7 years.
Communicating means maybe never call.
Only when, no. She said she never even gets any kind of contact. Say now only when they send letter to her, say they won't come. They say now waiting vex her with that. After 7 years, you won't come my wedding. Who do you think you are?
Okay. Any which way, she have do it. Now, for my own side here, please be careful. Be careful in this Lagos and anywhere in the full Nigeria where you did. In fact, the full world. Please be careful. This man just wake up and say, make it just go wrong, go airport, make it travel, come up for inside Lagos for here. You know, they do this political campaign since. Different people there everywhere, they do campaign for their own party. Now, as the guy they rush go, enter Okada, say make it try catch up for airport. Now you see crowd, they do political campaign things. Man, you raise your leg up. Political campaign things. As the guy enter, you know, they pass through the crowd, they pass through the crowd. Not being the guy say, okay, please make it like come for rope, please, I don't late. They won't come collect him bag. You know, say, crowd, when they don't mix, bad boys, the day inside. People, they with their head, no, just they okay, the day inside. Now they want to try collecting bag, but the guy can struggle. Who do you think you are? Do you know who I is? Now they come out machete. See knife when they choke for the guy chest. Boom! You see, enter the guy chest sharply. See, you see the dagger, see knife. Wow. They chook for the guy chest. Boom! Now everybody scatter. Everybody run. See as it long.
That's why we they talk this thing. We
so
say God name. Waiting be the violence. Ogbolor, see, they talk say no talk this thing. But me, I go talk am. The people where una the violence for their children follow una do the violence.
I tell you,
talk true, where true they.
Una they chook person now. Their children they outside country.
They not even there yet.
And you there they suffer. They carry person matter for head.
I don't understand.
When they don't give you one bag of rice, it's not finished for them.
You don't finish for them.
So you are selling your soul for a bag of rice.
For anything where they give you.
Yes.
It can be anything.
Or packaged rice.
Or anything where they give you.
What's wrong to you? They got shook that guy, they can't run. Thank God they can't carry the guy, will go loot. They do everything. After 2 days, they can't command the thing for in change.
Can you imagine? Now
the guy don't do okay, they recover well, small. But my it true. Young people of this country, please.
What's your problem?
Make una get brave for na head.
I tell you this.
What's wrong to you? Raise your leg up. Don't worry you. Put the leg up. What did they happen? When I'm just they do anyhow. What they do, man? You don't do anyhow, man? No, they do anyhow, man. You understand me now, man? See, politics, man, not be where you go kill yourself, man. Understand, man? You understand? Not they do anyhow, man. You understand? I know where my wig, man. But, you know, this whole thing, see, it pay me for my mind, man. You understand? Please, when we shun electoral violence, not so they talk about electoral violence, please. I beg you, please. Thank you very much.
Man, remember, man.
Thank you very much.
Man.
Not a joke. See, this. Man.
We pledge peace.
We pledge peace, man. We pledge peace.
You have to pause and say it. We pledge peace. Can't raise your head, do. Yeah.
Man.
Break. We come back.
We come back.
Man.
Put on for there. Put on. Not they do.
What's happen? What's I do?
This leg.
Not be like so it bend. Now straight. I'm very flexible.
Okay, make it short day there. Throughout the show for today. Now there you go day. All right. See all right. All right. So we welcome all of them back and tell the PADI. All right. Now on UK own now. I do America own.
Okay.
Yeah. You know how you they do. All right. In it. You know,
Winnie.
You know,
yeah.
Nah, man, nah, dog.
Yeah.
You know, yells. You know what I'm saying? All right, now still the PADI show.
Yeah.
You know how they do, how they go.
How they do.
You know, I see rhymes. That's the PADI show. We still do how they go. Oh, hey. Even when I go and check around with me, nigga, mess around with me. Oh, why did I did it? Hey, must be the money. Twerk it.
Come on, we sit down there.
I want twerk.
What are you doing?
I want twerk my leg. All right, Yandy, you know, let's go there, man. Yours.
I beg. When I get anything like maybe like hip-hop song.
Any hip-hop song. No,
when I get anything maybe like hip-hop song. Today we are on a janded mode. Yeah. We are not in the level of the whiskey.
No, man.
We are in a B.I.G.
We're not do that kind of local thing, man.
No.
We're not do that kind of local thing.
Nah.
The thing we do like this now, they do an Oyibo style, foreign style, in it. You know, like
Yeah.
So towards the end of the show, we just do on hip-hop things, you know, to come on. But for now, still Yandy, man. Yeah.
All right, so for inside the London place, not be even London place, this one for inside Nigeria, this one happen.
Yeah.
And when these things they happen, I'd always talk and say, if you know say you want ride power bike, if you know say you want ride power bike, besides getting the do it again. There we go. Oh my God. Jump knuckle from afar. Jump knuckle.
Bluetooth.
Yes. So if you know say you want ride power bike, that sound when you do so, make sure say you get your complete kit. Kits to the ride power bike, all those gadgets where they cover knee, cover hand, cover every cover head, helmet, and all those things. And then the most important part in, follow traffic rule and follow people where they give you orders on top traffic rule. And they tell you this thing, if it save your life, because I know plenty of people who don't die on top this power bike matter. Yeah, exactly. Now, this particular one will happen for inside Lagos. The thing pain me. One particular guy where they call Yakubu Samuel, February 19th. The pictures, they're very, very... One house. So I beg, we know what make una say on top this picture. This guy, they ride power bike. After the Nigerian Railway Corporation traffic control officer, one arm says, stop, train won't pass. That train where they come from Ijoko for inside Ogun State. Train won't pass, stop. The guy, they feel like, say, I fast. At the right power bike.
Fast and furious.
Understand? Fast and furious. Fast 7. You won't act on. Now so he passed the thing, now so the train crush him. So now in fault. Not be say we happy say it happened, but this na death where if you avoid. What thing go do you if you just stop? Because I know say the brakes of power bike then sharp die because of the speed.
Some people they find free express road.
And they tell you something.
Just power bike.
That year you go sit there for third mainland now.
They're going to feel like saying, man, you not try.
Yes.
You where they drive motor, you're going to be like saying you not even try.
You understand me now?
They're going to look you like this.
Can't go vroom.
Yeah, something where this one don't reach now.
So this die where this guy died now.
If I avoid that,
if I avoid this die.
Not true.
As he don't die now, not be only Ankpai. The traffic people die with him. The people when they inside train then die with him. I beg, try to give yourself brain. We not say make you not do gangster. We not say make you not do. I have money, I buy bike, but do one with sense.
Please,
I beg. When sense don't come up for inside, you go just die for nothing.
My listen they do if they drive motor. When you don't they express.
Yeah.
You want go fire.
Yeah.
You want tell yourself say calm down.
And they do one way. Maybe especially if I they drive car where they all right.
I they talk to myself.
Where the speed they okay. Only me go just tell myself, babe. Relax,
the life no get duplicate.
You never get like 500 million. Relax,
You never hammer, never born,
relax, your mama never vex you. Where say you go make her cry. Relax, But talk to yourself.
All right. Okay, please quickly. Still on top that death pay will not be too much good story we get. They say for inside one place for Abom Bese local government area for inside Imo State. They see the dead body of one young yellow girl like that. They say from the look of everything, they say it be like say on Valentine's Day, maybe February 14, now they gang rape the girl. Now we see plenty people gather together, come by force touchlight the girl. So on the 15th of February, they come see the girl dead body for that area for inside there. When they don't look the thing, look, when police are involved for the matter. They can say, oh boy, this one no be issue of say they can collect them for ritual purpose because they can see scratching for the girl body side, for her, areas. But we for like show that the picture, but it is very graphic, very not too pure like that. You understand? Very gory.
My God.
It's very painful, something like that. But I always tell young ladies, please, they very careful. You understand? That very careful matter. Now for more for the ladies, man feel run. When some kind of begin what happen, man feel run. If he jump first, if he take off, but not be women not to be like that. You understand? So I beg all the women, beg not to the trust anyhow. Last time what happened for Facebook, he said because one thing, some people now go just see love, they all love. Next thing say make you just go meet the person. I beg they very careful. For all our women, the way they outside there, I beg, we take God beg now. They very careful. I beg. All right, I think we'll match break for here. We'll just leave the whole gist because they drop person morale mode, We decide the gangster P, but the story only drop carry us enter inside, in a soft heart P.
But we have to be professional.
Yeah, professional. You understand? Put your leg up. I don't forget.
Come on, dear. But since when I come out and for there, you know.
If you take that break again, I'll break you. We'll go laugh the laugh
you
now.
What?
I'll break you up. I'll break you.
You are silly.
Please, be very careful yourself, please. All right, so laugh the laugh, you know what to do. Let's go there, baby. You know what to do. Yeah, baby.
Tu mir das nicht an, du weißt, ich hab deine Mutter geholfen. Bitte, wir sind doch wie Brüder, Mann. Bitte, Mann. Ich liebe dich doch wie ein Bruder. Hör auf damit, gib mir noch eine Chance, Mann. Gib mir noch eine Chance, bitte.
Jesus Christ. He practically prank him.
Now prank now.
As in, they make the guy feel like say maybe somebody else did there. They follow and talk. Now the guy go plant knockout. See as that guy take off.
The guy move.
He take off, jump first.
May we see him again.
Oh wow.
That guy take off.
Tu mir das nicht an, du weißt, ich hab deine Mutter geholfen. Bitte, wir sind doch wie Brüder, Mann. Bitte, Mann. Ich liebe dich doch wie ein Bruder. Hör auf damit, gib mir noch eine Chance, Mann. Gib mir noch eine Chance, bitte.
They got a bad guy.
I'm like something where you go feed do.
I feed one.
I swear I'm gonna go feed do this.
That guy jump first. As you see taking off. Now if you have a girlfriend, at that point,
as in baby, you are
on your own.
She did on her own.
This race, oh boy.
Oh my God! Don't forget to follow us for Twitter at Wazobia PADI. And if you like the episodes, you missed some of the episodes, you want to rewatch them, we're there on top YouTube. Just go YouTube, Wazobia TV/PADI. Wazobia TV/PADI. We're there for you, live and direct. We don't get hip hop song, these people.
Okay, we need hip hop song to come up for the show for today. You understand? But ladies and gentlemen, today is Friday, all right? So we say make everybody just take them easy. I bet I'm gonna take them very, very easy. After they go flex, do everything for today. I bet I'm gonna take them easy. For the weekend, for those who go work for the weekend, I bet work small. Those of now good day for her, just chill. We'll do recap of all the show, of everything with about PADI.
Oh yeah.
By tomorrow.
All
right, so just make sure say you also watch them. And then for those of now in the office, you know to follow everything. Just watch on it. You understand? Make it scratchy. You understand? So
hit on.
All right, so ladies and gentlemen, God bless all of you now. You know, Gangster P, ladies and gentlemen.
Why you want wrong? Bad is allowed. It's allowed. Pepe is allowed. Bad is allowed. Pepe, my dude.
Only you 10 bottles in the club. You reach that. You did rap with 4 different accents, yeah. You speak chai. Only you smoke weed, smoke skunk, smoke glue, smoke cigar, smoke shisha. All due respect to your feelings. CBN in the building. This year it's clear by the wrist where we go separate the real man from the children. No long yelling. It's about to be effeminate. Niggas don't know what we planning. Niggas don't know what we planning. He's allowed. 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 Yeah.